So me and Murphy Dog are here over at Ron's house off of Mud Pike Road. I want you to see some of the view that we're seeing at the angle that I'm sitting at. There's Murphy Dog, being a good boy that he is today. He just got done eating, so he's rather relaxed. This is the view I've got from where I'm sitting. That there was just a thunderstorm that just came through a little while ago from that direction. There's the bike. There's the tent. That's Ron's garage. There's a gentleman that just allowed us to camp out on his yard. But this is absolutely beautiful. But this is my view of it. Get my knees out of the way. This is looking out at my angle. Murphy Dog. Murph's having a sort of listening to the puppy dog across the street. Say hello, Murph. So let's see what his view is when we're looking around. That's Murphy's view. That's how Murphy sees things. Food and water bowl. Food and water bowl. That's exactly where he's looking at too. It's the food and water bowl. And then he sees me. I think we're actually going to sleep good tonight. I'll try to get these videos uploaded again someplace in Wrightsville or Radford. But the Android which is run by Google, does not want to communicate with Google, which is also owns YouTube. They just want to communicate with YouTube. Look at that cloud formation way out there. The way it curves, looks like a wave, a white wave out there. Fortunately, I can't zoom in with this camera. There goes a birdie by. I mean, I already feel like I'm in the plains. And this is still Virginia. This is between Christiansburg and Radford, Virginia. Absolutely beautiful. Don't you wish you were here?